How to unignore group chat in Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can unignore group chat in Messenger. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is make sure that you have the Messenger app and it is updated to the latest version. After doing that, you can open it up and make sure that you're logged in into your account. After doing that, you will see all of your DMs under the chats section. Now here, first let's ignore a group. So long press on a group and there you will see the ignore button. Tap on ignore and there we go. So what happens after you ignore a group is that it just disappears from your chat. Now if you do not know how you can restore it or unignore that group chat, this is how you do it. Now whenever you ignore a group chat, it actually just gets mute and it just archives. So that's what ignore actually is. It goes to the archive section and then just mutes the group, and that's what ignore is. So now to unignore that group, head over to the menu on the bottom right corner of your Messenger and there you will see archive. Tap on archive and there you will find your group that you just ignored. Now all you have to do is swipe left and there you'll see an archive option. You can tap on more button and there you won't find a button called unignore, but you can just tap on this unarchive option and head over to your chat section and you'll find the group right there. And that is basically how you unignore group chat in Messenger. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more.